friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm opening the July Simply Earth monthly recipe box. If you are not familiar with Simply Earth or this box, I share it every single month. It is a subscription box. It is $45, I believe, per month, but I have a coupon code that will give you $45 back to use on future purchases. So it's really a no-brainer to try it for a month if you love essential oils and want them done for you. For example, the recipe part and how to use each essential oil. If you like using new oils, discovering new oils, and these boxes are seasonal, so they're really fun. This month, I have not opened this yet, so I have no idea what's in here. Another thing before I start sharing is I get lots of these and I have a lot of essential oils. So most of the time I will already have these and I will put these new ones in my giveaway pile and then I'll go grab mine off the shelf to share. So I will go do that in a second. But if you're not subscribed to my blog, make sure you go do that down below because I give away essential oils every week. So this month's theme is DIY bath and shower recipe. They do have a new Fizz and Flow bath bomb kit, so I'm wondering if we're gonna make some kind of similar things to that. Also, I like to share the value. So the value this month is $151 and it is $44.99 per month. All right, let's see. I'll share the essential oils first. It looks like we're getting coriander, lime, bug fighter, and peace and quiet. So 2 singles and 2 blends. All right, I did not have bug fighter, so this won't be going in the pile, but coriander, lime, and peace and quiet will be going in my giveaway pile. So coriander, this one is sweet and herbal. It smells fresh. It's similar, like a more muted, like eucalyptus. It smells really good. Lime essential oil. This lime, all citrus oils are my favorite. Super fresh. It's cold pressed from the peel, so it's more peel than lime juice if you are not familiar. Bug fighter is a blend, so this is patchouli, cedarwood, and lemongrass, which I do not like lemongrass. I don't think I'm gonna like this one and use it. I'm not gonna open it. So this one will go in my giveaway pile. Bug fighter, that one so repels pesky bugs. And then peace and quiet. This is one of our favorite ones to diffuse at night in the girls' room. This is sweet orange, frankincense, cedarwood, and lime. So it's very rounding. It's a lot of cedarwood. And then you get those little happy notes from the citrus, but it is very peaceful, a very calming blend. And then I'll share the recipe cards. So you get 4 oils, 6 recipes, and those are here. So you'll have a bunch of these recipe cards on hand, which is really nice. So we're getting Serene Shower Spray. I love shower sprays. Lime and Coconut Bliss Mini Bath Bombs. My girls love making bath bombs because they cannot use, one of my girls is sensitive to fragrance, so all of the fun ones that you see in the stores she can't get. So she loves making them. Tranquil Shower Melts. I also love shower melts. This one looks like it's going to be like a peace and quiet one. I also like making eucalyptus ones too when we're stuffy. Balanced Breeze Diffuser Blend, Peace and Quiet Mini Bath Bombs. So we're making 2 different bath bombs. Let's see. Yep, 2 different. So lime and coconut and then peace and quiet. And then Crave Control Roll-On. So we're using coriander, lime, bug fighter, and then making a roller. And then you also get a couple of ingredients each month, and then some of the things you'll just use that you have on hand. So we're getting citric acid and Natrasorb bath powder. So those 2 ingredients will be used in the bath bombs, and then you also get a bath bomb mold. So this is just 2 little half spheres that you can make your mold into, or your bath bomb into. And we've gotten bath bomb molds before, so you should have some on hand too if you've been a subscriber. Then you also get stickers, and then this is the little booklet that comes with the kit this month, and it also shows you, so there is a bath bomb kit coming soon. I'm going to film that I think today, so look for that coming soon too. But these look really cute. They always make it more fun and add just their own special touch to different recipes, and all of the recipes are formulated by an aromatherapist, so all of the dilution rates and really the ratios, especially with making bath bombs, it is fun when you have a good recipe. It is not fun when you're trying to do it on your own and they're crumbling and they're not the right consistency. So that's one of the main reasons I love this and love recommending it, is because everything, they just make it so easy. There's an abundance of information. So on the back of this card, it has all of the essential oils and then the general safety for each one, which is really important also. So for example, Peace and Quiet is kid safe 10+. It is pregnancy safe, it's not cat safe, and it is dog safe. safe, and then the uses of each one. So I really love all of the abundance of information we get. Oh, and then lastly, when you subscribe using my code, you get the $45 gift card, and then you also get a big bonus box. I wish I had one to show you. So it's like a big box that this comes inside of, along with solid coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, beeswax, empty roller bottles, and then empty bottles to make your diffuser blends, because each month you'll make a roller and a diffuser blend. So you'll get all of that with your first month, and then every 6 months you'll get another big bonus box, because most of these will call for using coconut oil, beeswax, an amber glass bottle. So you'll have that in your first month as well. I think that is it for this video. All right, I think that's it. Also, Simply Earth does give 13% back to help end human trafficking. There's more information on that on their website, but if you have any questions or comments or what you're excited about this month, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.